Okay, your next song for your P7 show. This one's all about teamwork, I suppose, and how together we can do anything, which is basically what we're trying to do here. We need massive amounts of teamwork to make this video show really successful. So we want all of you to be involved in this song as well. Okay, so here we go. This is actually really easy, the verses, because it's the same thing twice, and it's actually the same tune 3 times over as well. Twice, so let's just go for it and try that whole verse. Okay, it's exactly the same thing 2 times through. Ready, 2, 3. It starts with 1, 2, 3. It starts with A, B, C. It starts with red, blue, green. It starts with you and me. Again, it starts with 1, 2, 3. It starts with A, B, C. It starts with red, blue, green. This line is different. This line goes, it starts with you and me. So you're going up to the to that wee bit. So the last bit, it starts with red, blue, green. It starts with you and me. Just try that. From the red, blue, green bit. It starts with red, blue, green. It starts with you and me. It's the only bit that's different the second time through. Let's do that one more time, that verse. This is the cheesy one, I'm sorry, but it's mandatory. Every P7 show needs a cheesy song. We wouldn't sell any packs if we didn't include some cheese. But this is the bit where you want your parents to have a wee tear in their eye. So together we can do anything. From that wee bit, 2, 3, 4. Together we can do anything at all. Together we can touch the sky. So same idea as the first verse, nice and easy, lots and lots of repetition. So it goes, we've been here 7 years, we've shared some laughs and tears, we've seen friends come and go, there's something we all know. We've been here 7 years, we've shared some laughs and tears, we've seen friends come and go, there's something we all know. So exactly the same again, and then on to that chorus. And of course the thing that we all know is together Together we can do anything at all. I told you it was cheesy. Okay, so let's do that whole verse from the 7 years bit, and then on to the chorus. We've been here 2, 3, we've been here 7 years. We've shared some laughs and tears. We've seen friends come and go. There's something we all know. We've been here 7 years. We've seen some laughs and tears. We've seen friends come and go. There's something we all know. Chorus. Together we can do anything at all. Together we can touch the sky. Together we can achieve our dreams. Together, you and I. Okay, so far we've had verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus. We've now got a wee middle section, but in true beatbox fashion, it is extremely repetitive and extremely simple. So we've got, we can do anything. We can do anything. Try that for me. Just the same note, same again. We've got it up a wee bit. Then the next bit starts the same. We can, no it doesn't, sorry, it goes higher. We can do anything. We can do anything. Okay, it sounds high because it's higher than what we've just done. It's not a high note, it's no higher than anything that you've already done in this piece. It will feel high to you because the rest of it is much lower. Okay, so let's try that from the second half of that. So we can do that wee bit. We can do anything. We can do anything. And then we're just on to a chorus again. So let's try that from the first. We can do that bit. Ready? We can do anything. We can do anything. On that note, we can do anything. We can do anything. Together, we can do anything at all. Together, we can touch the sky. Together, we can achieve our dreams. Together, you and I. Together, you and I. Together, you and I didn't even bother teaching you that last bit because it's so obvious. Right, same idea as song 1. I'm going to stop here and do a second video with the song all the way through so that you've got that at your fingertips whenever you're ready to practice. Okay, so here I'll say bye and see you in a minute.